You can use advanced search options in the WebFOCUS homepage to make your searches more precise in order to find the content that you want more quickly. To access advanced search options, click the down arrow at the right of the search field. You can specify the area where your search term appears, the type of file that you are searching for, and the matching behavior for the search term. Tags and summaries are not automatically provided for your items, but you can add them in the item's properties. Summary appears in the General tab, and tags are available in the Advanced tab. You can provide extra information here to make it easier to search for content related to certain projects that may not have similar titles or names. The search criteria is multi-select, so if you want to search through multiple content types, you can do so. Once you have specified search criteria, click outside the search options area to perform the search. Searches are performed within the selected folder. For the broadest possible search, you can search within the domains area, and then use the tags to filter by domain. Click the Reset button to reset all search options setting defaults and clear any text entered in the search text box. Using the WebFOCUS search options, you can find your content easily, even if you've forgotten where it is located. To learn more, visit the WebFOCUS 8205 knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.